TN visas, a real game changer in engineering recruitment. I'm Sarah Wyngaard, and I am a U.S. immigration attorney by training, and today I will also be your guide to leveraging the power of TN visas for your company's engineering needs. Now, as we all know, in 2024, finding the right talent is more crucial than ever, and this is where TN visas, TN engineers and technicians from Mexico come into play. First, let's talk a little bit about the benefits. TN visas allow U.S. companies to bring in workers from both Canada and Mexico to work as engineers and technicians. Now, I personally lived in Mexico, working as an immigration attorney for about 14 years, U.S. immigration attorney, and it became very clear to me that the Mexican government, and now this is on multiple administrations, they've made a pretty clear policy decision to build up their educational system around educating students with the intention that these students will then work for international companies, both within Mexico and outside of Mexico as well. And engineering is that focus point, to the point where students in Mexico can graduate at the age of 16 with something equivalent to what we think of as an associate's degree in the United States. So let's say they graduate at 16, maybe they work for a few years down in Mexico, and then they come up and work for you at the age of 20. At that point, they've already got 4 years of relevant work experience. Now, that's a huge benefit. It is also worth mentioning that when you recruit workers from Mexico, these workers getting a TN visa is a bit like winning the lottery for them because they're getting valuable work experience, but they're also earning US dollars. And so this is why TN employers get extremely high retention rates as well. A little bit about compliance. My law firm, Wyngaard Law, partners with Three Amigos Recruiting, which I also own. Three Amigos has an office down in Guanajuato, Mexico. And basically, partnering with us means you can focus on what you do best, running your business, while we take care of both the recruitment and the legal paperwork for the TN visa. We'll find out exactly what you need, and then we'll walk you through various ways to achieve those goals. By working efficiently, we can usually have your engineers and technicians up to you within 2 to 3 months, sometimes sooner than that. The workers will be given a 4-year work permit that can then be renewed indefinitely. Our sister company, Three Amigos Recruiting, in Guanajuato taps into this incredible talent pool of Mexican engineers and technicians, matching your company with the right professionals. Together, we ensure that the recruitment process is compliant and it's also strategic, aimed for long-term retention and mutual growth. So to wrap it up, TN visas are an amazing resource for U.S. companies in need of engineers and technicians. These visas are popular to the point that if you're not looking at them now in 2024, you will be left behind your competitors because that's how they're able to stay staffed at the levels that are required in 2024. So when you are ready to begin your TN journey for your company, give me a call to discuss the details. In the meantime, follow us on social media to stay up on current events for all U.S. immigration laws.